The woman woke up and found that her facial features were tightly sewed. It turned out that she watched the video without protection, so it became like this. Afraid of her, she hurried downstairs to seek help. With her 80 years of memory, she searched step by step on the ground. Soon she came to the door, and opened it skillfully. She thought it was not difficult at all. She didn't want to break the frame in the next second. She knew that if she went down, she might face the danger of stepping on the glass. But at this moment, she couldn't do more than that. She continued to go down with the ladder. But if there was no accident, the accident would come. Suddenly, she was afraid that she would lose her mind. But in order to get out of here as soon as possible, she endured the pain and slid down step by step. After 38 minutes of effort, she finally got to the door downstairs. But she didn't expect that the door couldn't be opened. She knew that the bandit couldn't let her run away at all. So she went to get the key that had been hidden for a long time. Unfortunately, she lost the bag. The key also fell out at random. She hurried down to look for it. Unexpectedly, the key was moved further and further by herself. At this moment, a pair of black elephant legs suddenly appeared. After Xiaomei touched it, she found that it was a person. She knew that it was the person who sewed the mouth of her eyes. She was so scared that she turned around and wanted to run away. But the woman didn't intend to let her go at all. She grabbed Xiaomei's hair at once.